Have you ever wished that you could wake up every day and find yourself living in beautiful Applegate Valley? Or maybe you're wanting to learn a little bit more about this community because you're considering buying a home in the area. Well, if you answered yes, then you need to watch this video. Now, a quick reminder to stay until the end because I'm going to be showcasing a beautiful home here in Applegate Valley with stunning mountain views and a huge shop. It offers everything you need for rural living, and it's only 20 minutes to Grants Pass. Hello, my name is Simona Fino, and welcome to my channel. So Applegate Valley is one of the most special places in Southern Oregon, and it also happens to be my favorite. It is situated between Jacksonville and Grants Pass along Highway 238 and encompasses the rural towns of Rouge, Applegate, Williams, and Murphy. First, I want to talk a little bit about buying a rural property because there's so many things to consider, and I want to make sure that you're aware of those. But I strongly encourage you to watch my other video, which is called Must Watch Before Buying a Home in Rural Southern Oregon, because it goes into a lot more detail. Big things to consider when buying a rural property are, number one, location. Know how far out you want to be from town and find a community that you resonate with. Two, home versus land. Applegate Valley is more expensive than surrounding rural areas, so it's going to be important to know what your budget is and consider, do you want more house or more land? Because a $500,000 home in town is going to be updated and a lot nicer than a $500,000 home with acreage. So look closely at your budget and then determine what is going to be more important to you, the house or the land. Infrastructure, number three. Rural homes have a lot more going on than a home in town, and you need to be prepared to take care of those systems. That's going to include a well, septic, outbuildings like a shop or a barn, and sometimes you have things like irrigation systems to manage. Land. Now, it seems obvious that you're going to have to take care of land, but it's important to be aware of the type of land you'll be managing, and also, are you buying land that is already well managed, or are you going to be the one to put in that sweat equity? All right, well, let's talk a little bit about some of the things that make Applegate Valley special. It is located in what is called the blue zone. So it is drier and warmer than the surrounding areas, and more often than not, has clear blue skies above. So if you like sunshine and warmth, then Applegate could be for you. You're also going to find that there are two beautiful rivers flowing through the valley, the Little Applegate River and the Applegate River. Both of those are going to offer riverfront properties, and some of those properties have water rights. You're also going to find that the valley has a lot of farmland with rich soil. So that combined with all the sunshine means that this area is great for farming. You're going to find everything here from veggies to grapes to herbs to seed farming. All of that happens in Applegate Valley. So now I want to share a little bit about some of the rural communities that you're going to find out here. Coming from Jacksonville, the first community you're going to reach is Rouge. They have a country store, hardware store, thrift store, a couple of restaurants, and the Rouge Library. Rouge is also the jumping off point to the Applegate Lake, which is very popular for paddleboarding, boating, and fishing, and the popular Cantrell-Buckley Park, where you're going to find great swimming holes, picnic grounds, and camping. Next, you're going to find the town of Applegate. There you're going to find the station, which is a newly renovated cafe and store, the Applegate Country Club, which serves amazing pizza in a gorgeous garden setting, and the Lindsay Lodge, which is beautiful lodging and a restaurant right on the river. Now continue 5 minutes further on 238 and you're going to reach a crossroads marked by the Provolt Country Store and Deli. Take this turn and in about 10 minutes you're going to find yourself in the small town of Williams, where again you'll find a general store, Takube Natural Market, there's a bar and grill. There you're also going to find the Herb Farm, which is a very well-known herbal company that produces medicinal tinctures. As you continue traveling down 238 towards Grants Pass, you're going to land in the town of Murphy, where there's a grocery store, post office, and a dollar store. And all along the 238, you're going to find many exceptional wineries and farms offering local produce, herbs, berries, flowers, and pie. You're going to be really happy you stopped at Pennington Farms for their pie. All right, each of these communities has its own energy and vibe, so take some time to visit and get a feel for what they're like. To learn a little bit more about some of the places that I've mentioned, watch my my videos where I've highlighted these local businesses. There are so many great farm stands and places to check out. Types of properties in Applegate Valley are varied. If you're looking for riverfront property, you're going to want to pay attention to homes on Highway 238, Upper Applegate Road, Little Applegate Road, and North Applegate Road, as those all flank the Little Applegate and Applegate rivers. If farming or gardening is your thing, look in the valley itself, and there's a lot of flat farmable land. Then as you go into the higher elevations in the surrounding mountains, there you're going to find more of your wooded properties and a lot of properties with epic views. Last but not least, I'd love for you to check out a Greater Applegate. Fantastic community organization that, with the involvement and input with local residents, they are working towards building a resilient and connected community. And they have so many ways in which local residents can get involved to support their efforts. So be sure to check out their website in the link below. All right, well, at the start of the video, I said I'd give you a tour of this beautiful home in Applegate Valley. So let's go take a look. All right, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is located on Messenger Road, just off 238, and it's only 20 minutes to Grants Pass. It is walking distance to Pacifica Gardens, which has miles of hiking trails, and the property borders 80 acres of BLM land. Inside the house, you're going to find vaulted ceilings, wood-cased windows, which take in the incredible mountain views. And then the wraparound deck is another perfect spot to take in the mountain views. And you're going to find that the decks are both upstairs and downstairs. Recent upgrades to the home include a newer metal roof, a new HVAC system, water heater, and exterior paint. The 1,000-foot garage has plenty of space for vehicle storage. And the 2,000 square foot shop has its own septic, electrical, and a half bath. This is perfect for all of you who have hobbies. Outside, you're going to find terrace gardens with irrigation, fruit trees, and a chicken coop, perfect for homesteading. All right, so we just listed this at $610,000. So this home is waiting for new owners, and maybe that's you. All right, well, if you're considering a move to Applegate and would like more information about available properties or about this vibrant community, give me a call. I can be reached at 541-326-2552. And if you'd like to know more about Southern Oregon real estate in general, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on all of my socials to keep yourself updated. Don't forget, hit the like button if you found this video informative. And once again, I'm Simona Fino, and I absolutely love connecting people with community. So be sure to get in touch with me. I would love to connect with you. See you next time.